Hello again, and you are welcome to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. I am Mamta and this is Hindi writing series. We are learning Hindi consonants, Hindi Vyanjan. If you have not watched my previous videos on Hindi Vyanjan, I would request you to please watch them first and then come to this video. So let us start. Second unaspirated and aspirated consonant pair is G and Gh. Again, these two Vyanjan are also pronounced using soft palate, the fleshy region at the very back of your mouth, shown with the red dot in the picture. Also, the first Vyanjan is unaspirated, the second one is aspirated. When you breathe out from your mouth, you will observe H sound. H. So, aspirated consonant or Vyanjan is pronounced with H sound. Unaspirated consonant or Vyanjan is pronounced without H sound by stopping the air inside the mouth. First Vyanjan in this pair is G. G. Pot used for the plants is Gamla in Hindi. As we say in English, A for apple, in Hindi we will say G se Gamla. G se Gamla. Observe, the voice is coming from back of the mouth and there is no aspiration, no H sound. To pronounce G correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce G in English word girl. G, girl. Notice there is no aspiration or H sound. For writing G, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Now the second Vyanjan in this pair is Gha. Gha. House in Hindi is Ghar. Ghar. As we say in English, A for apple, we say in Hindi, Gha se ghar. Gha se ghar. To pronounce Gha correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce GH in English word ghost. Gha, ghost. Gha, ghost. Observe aspiration or H sound here. For writing Gha, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Let's revise. All these four consonants or Vyanjan belong to the first group, pronounced from soft palate. The first one unaspirated, the second one aspirated. So speak with me. Ka, kha, ga, gha. Again. Ka, kha, ga, gha. I hope you enjoyed watching my video and you have learned few Vyanjan. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi writing with me. We will continue to learn more Hindi Vyanjan in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.